how does Earth's gravity, an aspect of our planet we often take for granted, play a role in protecting us from asteroid collisions? Intriguing, isn't it? Stick around till the end to discover how these findings might impact our understanding of potential asteroid threats. A recent study has cast light on the unsung hero in our fight against asteroid collisions: Earth's intense gravitational forces. This invisible shield, it seems, has a knack for tearing apart passing asteroids. The result? Streams of smaller fragments that pose far less of a threat to our planet. In the past, proof of Earth's gravity tidally disrupting asteroids was elusive. But thanks to a new model developed by Mikael Granvik and his team, the story takes an interesting twist. Oddball asteroids observed at certain distances from the Sun could well be tidally disrupted fragments of larger asteroids. A fascinating revelation, wouldn't you agree? These fragments, once part of a larger entity, are not fleeting visitors. They linger in orbit for millions of years before they eventually collide with the Sun or a planet. While their longevity might suggest a threat, the reality is somewhat different. These smaller fragments don't pose an extinction-level threat, but they do increase the likelihood of events similar to the Tunguska and Chelyabinsk incidents. While not cataclysmic, these events are a reminder of the cosmos's unpredictable nature. It's an enlightening perspective, isn't it? Earth's gravity, it seems, does more than just keep us grounded. It also forms a protective shield against asteroids. To continuously be enlightened-like and subscribe.